I wouldn't be where I am right now without hunting, especially going through what I did. I learned a lot from the people around me. And the outdoors does something just brilliant to you. You know, sights, sounds, everything. Like, that's what gets you up and keeps you moving. I mean, I'm going out and I'm doing these things on, you know, what may not be an able body anymore, but I'm still here, you know, moving, living, breathing, and walking. And I had brothers who never made it home.
You belong where the four winds blow. I wear the young tame Mustang roam like a sweet summer rain, passing through.
Great friends, good people. I feel very blessed. Completely cooked out right now. We've been climbing all day. Hunted so hard, and this bull just kept escaping us. The reward's in the journey, and this has been an unbelievable journey so far.
Passing through, never seen anything wild as you. You belong where the four winds blow. I wear the young tame Mustang roam like a sweet summer rain, passing through. Never seen anything
Doesn't get any better than that.
We've got 3 sets of fresh tracks here, I think. So we got a bull with cows probably going down this draw. So let's go down here and see if we can't do a setup and call one in. Let's roll the draw. For the past 3 years, Roseburg Resource Company has been on a private land management tag system that works in conjunction with the state of California. And this year, the company decided to work in conjunction with the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation to find a combat wounded veteran to come out and give them that opportunity to harvest a bull elk on part of that private land management tag. The wind is going. It's not great, but it'll work. Kirstie Ennis is 23 years old, and she's combat wounded in the Marine Corps. She was a helicopter gunner. You know, being here and being part of her hunt, she deserves it. She deserves to have people know that we appreciate the sacrifice that she's made for our freedom. He might have a ragdoll come up from behind us that's following him. I mean, this thing can be covered with hog and we don't know.
On my last deployment to Afghanistan, I was doing a mission and we were flying into Nowzad. And on June 23rd, 2012, my helicopter went down. I sustained severe injuries. I'm a left leg limb salvage. I had severe facial trauma, traumatic brain injury, spinal cord damage, and damage to both of my arms. I mean, it has been quite the journey. I mean, there's gonna be years and years, you know, till the day I die that I'm gonna look back and be like, you know what, there's nothing better that I could have done with my life aside from serve my country.
That bull and those cows are in here somewhere, but they're not talking. Let's set up a trail camera here on this, over this wallow, and we can see what's using it, because obviously something's coming in pretty good to it.
I could not imagine that animal doing that.
Yeah. Well, let's see if we can get some pictures of one doing it.
I hope so.
I think we'll be pleasantly surprised. I bet you there's been an elk in there.
People came out of the woodworks to help me out when I was in the hospital. Firm believer in paying it forward. My big thing now is, you know, you make one person smile throughout your day and you're gonna be okay. And, you know, especially if I can go along, you know, go back to the hospitals and help the wounded warriors that are still there and, you know, pick them up and be like, hey, come hunting with me. I'm filling that void right now. I'm filling that void of you're not a Marine anymore.
We had some bugles tonight. We did. It's pretty awesome. That's the first time you ever heard a bugle is up here.
Right, yeah. I mean, back and forth is awesome like that too. I mean, that one time he cut you off even, so I was like, all right, they're ready to go.
Wow, I know. They're fired up, which is awesome, which will be super fun for tomorrow.
Definitely.
Gives us something to look forward to tonight when we go to bed.
Yep, dreaming of elk.
Dreaming of elk. All right, let's get out of here.
All right.
Let's check out what bulls are coming into this wallow. That is a nice bull. That's
Here we go.
Better look. Look at how big his body is compared to the cows. He's beautiful.
It's huge. I would be stoked with one of those. I would be more than happy to bring one of those home.
We need to
Those
go
are
there.
Beautiful.
Let's go set up a ground blind.
All right.
Sides.
I'm very blessed, very fortunate. I would never wish anything like what happened to me to happen to anybody else ever. But, I mean, it's been a blessing and a curse. I mean, went through a lot, but I look at what I have now and the people that I have in my life, and I wouldn't have them without it. So, definitely a blessing and a curse. For sure.
There's going to be a bull behind them. There he is. He's coming. It's the same one I looked at, I think, on the trail camera today. Just aim right behind the crease in his front shoulder when he turns slightly to the left. Right now. Wait. Okay, he's coming out to the left, Kirstie. Got him. Another one. Wait. Don't shoot. Cows are behind him. Got it. I think you're okay. Go ahead, shoot him again. Good one. All right, one more. Hold on.
What is he? Come on, buddy. Don't move. Come on.
Okay, when he comes out, he's back in the wallow. He just fell over in the wallow. You got him. He is down.
Completely nerve-wracking.
So we gotta go over there. It looks like he fell in this wallow and out of sight. So let's just walk up here real quietly.
I wasn't expecting to get an elk or anything like that. Like, it would have been great. It was amazing. You know, ultimately, I got what I wanted when I came out here. However, I mean, it was the whole experience. I mean, the biggest thing was I had these wonderful people that were willing to help me, and, you know, bring me out here and just spend time with me for a week.
Is it your first bull?
Yeah. Oh God. Everybody told me that it would be, you know, an unbelievable experience. They weren't lying. I mean, once in a lifetime. It was great. Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation has done so much for me, not only here, but, you know, back in San Diego as well. You know, without them, this wouldn't have happened, period. I would have never, you know, left with the experience or the family.
Congratulations.
Thank you.